Hi, so today we're going to be page 251, 2.2, adding and subtracting rationals. So always reduce anytime you're given a math problem and you have a fraction in there, unless it asks otherwise, you always need to reduce it. If you're taking SATs or whatever, they're always going to look for the reduced form. 6 over 21 just means 6 parts of 21 pieces. That's how much you have. That's what a fraction is. The way you reduce is by finding the GCF. So the GCF, if you did 6 out, you would get 2 to the first times 3 to the first. If you did 21 out, you'd get 3 times 7. And remember, the GCF is the base number with the highest exponent, so it's 3 to the 1. So you take the GCF and you divide by the GCF. This is all review. You should know how to reduce a fraction. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 21 divided by 3 is 7. So the answer would be 2/7. Okay, so when we're adding and subtracting fractions, we always have to have the same denominators. Always, 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 in addition and subtraction. Okay? So add 3/7 plus 2/7. So that's like saying I have a piece of pie divided into 7 pieces. 3 of them plus 2 of them. Look, the denominators are the same. I can just go ahead and add the numerators, keep the denominator the same. My answer is 5/7. Okay, it gets a little harder when we don't have the same denominators, 3/4 and 2/3. Well, you might say, why did we bother finding the GCF and the LCM? I already told you to reduce fractions, we needed the GCF. To add fractions or subtract fractions with unlike denominators, we actually need the LCM. If you take 4 and 3 and do it out, the LCM of 4 and 3, 4 is 2 squared, 3 is 3 to the 1. You combine everything, all the bases included. So you're going to take everything in this case, 2 squared times 3. Do that out, 2 times 2 is 4, times 3 is 12. The LCM is 12. So that means when you're dividing these adding these fractions, you're going to put them over to 12. Which is the LCM. 4 times 3 is 12, so 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12, 2 times 4 is 8, and you're going to get 17/12. And then, of course, we're going to change that into a mixed number, and you get 1 and 5/12. There you go. Okay, over here, subtract 3/7 minus 5/28. So, again, you have to find your LCM. I did 28 over here. And I found that my factored out of 28 into primes is 2 squared times 7. And my 7 is 7 to the first. So the LCM is everything represented with the highest exponent, 2 squared times 7. 2 squared times 7 is 4 times 7, which is 28. That means 3/7 minus 5/28. I have to change it into the 28. 7 times 4 is 28. 3 times 4 is 12. 12/28 minus 5/28. And then I'm going to get 7/28. Okay? And then you can reduce 7/28 to 1/4. Okay. Subtract 3/32 minus 5/8. If you do out 32 into prime factorization, you're going to get 2 to the 5th. If you do out 8, you'll get 2 to the 3rd. In LCM, you're going to take the base with the highest exponent, 2 to the 5th, so it's 32. 3 over 32 and minus 5/8 equals, we said the LCM was 32, so 3 is going to stay the same, equals 8 times 4 is 32, 5 times 4 is 20. Uh-oh. I have 3 32s minus 20 32s. You're going to have to use the rules that you learned about addition and subtraction with a negative. When you're subtracting a negative, this is like saying 3 plus a negative 20. So you subtract the two numbers and take the sign of the bigger number. So that's going to be minus 17 over 32. Okay? So you're going to be doing that section. That section is on page... there's one more section with adding decimals. So I'll just do these two really quickly. 2.39 and 14.682. All you have to do with decimals is remember that you always have to line up the decimal. I'm not going to do this one out. I feel like you guys know how to do that. In this case, 39.27 minus 112.6. Okay, what do we do here? Well, you're going to take the difference of 112.6 and 39.27. So you're actually going to take the difference minus 39.27. So I'm going to get 5, 3, 3, 0, 3, 7. So this is going to be 73.33, but the bigger number is negative. So the answer is going to be negative. Okay? So what you're going to do is on page 55, you're going to make do numbers 1 through 29. Have fun. Bye.